Hi there, students. I had a question from Forlearn asking about, is there any difference between strike while the iron is hot, Carpe Diem, and make hay while the sun shines? Well, I think generally these three are all pretty interchangeable. However, I do think there's an ever so slight difference in nuance. Let's see, strike while the iron is hot, to me means act while something is fresh in your mind. Yeah? You have an idea, so do it now, because otherwise it'll just go and, well, I'll do it later, and then you end up never doing it. To me, Carpe Diem has the idea of seize the opportunity. Yeah, the opportunity is here, take it now. And make hay while the sun shines, to me gives the idea of you should make the very best of a good situation. Yeah, if things are favourable, go for it at full speed, put all of your effort into it. But at the end of the day, I think all three of these cover these ideas as well. But I think each of those ideas that I've given are the emphasis of it. Okay, so strike while the iron is hot, while it's fresh in your mind. Yeah. Carpe diem, there's an opportunity, take it now because someone else will take it. And make hay while the sun shines. So things are good, the sun is shining, so we ought to make hay at all haste and as much as we can. Yeah, but all of these are talking about take the opportunity right away, don't leave things for tomorrow, get on with it and do it now. And I think that's the idea of all of these. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The difference between Carpe Diem, strike while the iron is hot, and make hay while the sun shines.